बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, today we are going to start our new unit, Unit 10, Fundamentals of Geometry. Let's see Introduction of Geometry. Introduction. Geometry has a long and glorious history. It helped us to create art, build civilization, construct buildings, and to discover other worlds. Therefore, the knowledge of geometry remained the focus of ancient mathematicians. The most important work done in the area of geometry was of Euclid. His book, Euclid's Elements, had been taught throughout the world. Students, geometry word is made by two words. The first one is geo and the second one is metry. Geo means earth while metry means measurement. Earth measurement is the meaning of geometry. Let's see the most important thing of geometry, that is angles and properties of angles. Two different rays with a common starting point form an angle. For example, look at the figure. Here we have two different rays. The first ray is OA and the second ray is OB. The common starting point of both the rays is O. Two different rays with a common starting point form an angle. Got it? Here we have two different rays and both have the same common point. At this common point, we form an angle. The angle is denoted by this symbol, just like this, angle O. The unit of measuring an angle is degree, and this is denoted by putting a small circle on your angle. Angles are classified by their degree measures. For example, right angle means if the angle is of 90 degree, then it is called right angle. Then acute angle, if your angle is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. And obtuse angle, if angle is greater than 90 degree, then it is called obtuse angle. So here, what is an angle? Two different rays OA and OB with a common starting point form an angle. That is denoted by this symbol, and degree, the unit of measuring angle is called what? Degree. Adjacent angles. The word adjacent means next or neighboring. And by the adjacent angle, we mean angles next to each other. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have same vertex, they have one common arm, other arm of two angles extended on opposite sides of the common arm. Now look here at this figure, students. Here we have two angles. The first angle is angle AOC and the second angle is COB. This is your first angle while this is your second angle. Now look at these two angles, whether they are adjacent or non-adjacent. Now students, both angles have same starting point. Means they are on the same vertex. Vertex is the point where angle made. Just like this, O is the starting point of all of these three rays. Means both of the angles have the same vertex. Vertex is the point where the angle is made. So the first thing is approved that both angles, angle AOC and angle COB, both have the same vertex. Let me give the names of these angles. Let's say this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So first property is satisfied that both the angles have same vertex. The second thing is They have one common arm. Now students, look at angle 1 and angle 2. Which is the common arm between them? Yes, this OC is the common arm of angle 1 and angle 2. OC is present in angle 1 and also OC is present in angle 2, means this is the common arm. Now look at the third number, other arms of two angles. Other arms of two angles extend on opposite side of the common arm. Now look here students, these are the other arms, arm OA and arm OB. These are other arms than common arm and they are extended on opposite sides of this common arm. Got it? So this figure is satisfying all the three conditions. So we will say that angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angle. In the figure it can be seen that angle, this is the symbol of angle, angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent. Because, why they are adjacent? Because both the angles have same vertex, means both the angles have the same starting point, that is O, and one common arm OC, other arms OA and OB extended on opposite sides of the common arm OC. Hence these angles, angle 1 and angle 2, are called the adjacent angles. Complementary angles. Two angles are called complementary angles when their sum of degree measure is equal to 90 degree. For example, look at the figure, angle BAD is 60 degree. Students, look at this angle, angle BAD. This angle is of 60 degree. Angle SAD, or you can say DAS, is of 30 degree. One angle is of 60 degree, the other angle is of 30 degree. If you add both the angles, you will get some 90 degree. Such angles are called complementary angle. Two angles, these are the two angles whose sum is equal to 90 degree are called complementary angles. Just like this, here one angle is of 60 degree, other angle is of 30 degree. Add these two angles, if the sum is 90 degree, means both angles are complementary angles. Similarly, if you have one angle 20 degree, other angle of 70 degree, sum is 90 degree, means both the angles are complementary angles. Any two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Supplementary angles. Two angles are called supplementary angles when their sum of degree measure is equal to 180 degree. Got it? If you have two angles just like this, one angle is of 60 degree, other angle is of 120 degree. If both have sum 180 degree, such angles are called supplementary angle. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. For example, angle BAD is 60 degree while angle SAD is 120 degree. Take the sum of both the angles. When you add both the angles, you will get 180 degree, means they are the supplementary angles. Similarly, if you have the sum 90 and 90, add them, if you have two angle 90 and 90, take the sum is 180 degree, means both are called supplementary angles. Any two angles having sum 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Vertically opposite angles. A pair of angles is said to be vertically opposite if the angles are formed from two intersecting lines and angles are non-adjacent. Such angles are always equal in measurement. Now students, look here at the figure. Two intersecting lines are given to us. The first intersecting line is AB. The second intersecting line is CD. These are the two intersecting lines. Got it? Now, How many angles are there? 1, 2, let me write here. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is your third angle and this one is the fourth angle. Total we have four angles. Okay. Now, according to definition, angles are formed from two intersecting lines. Okay, we have two intersecting lines. Now, four angles are formed. Now, angles are non-adjacent. Those two angles which are non-adjacent. Look here, angle 1 and 3. Are they adjacent? Angle 2 and 4. Are they adjacent? No, these are not adjacent. They are opposite to each other. Similarly, 1 and 3 are opposite to each other. Such angles are called vertically opposite angles. Got it? When there are two intersecting lines, the angles which are non-adjacent are called vertically opposite. Now look here, angle 1 and 2. Tell me, are they vertically opposite? No, 1 and 2 are not vertically opposite because they have common arm, means they are adjacent. Similarly, 2 and 3 are also adjacent because their arm is common. 3, 4 are not vertically opposite. 4, 1 not vertically opposite. Which angle are called vertically opposite? 1 and 3 because they are non-adjacent. Hope you got it. Now look here. Once again, see the definition. A pair of angles is said to be vertically opposite if angles are formed from two intersecting lines and angles are non-adjacent. Got it? 1 and 3 are non-adjacent, so they are vertically opposite. 2 and 4 are non-adjacent, so they are vertically opposite. And one more information is given to you, that such angles, means vertically opposite angles, are always equal in measurement. Got it? If angle 1 is of 70 degree, angle 3 must be of 70 degree. Always vertically opposite angles always have the same or equal measurement. Look at the figure. Two lines intersect each other at point O and form four angles. Angle AOC, BOC, angle BOD and angle AOD. Angle AOD and angle BOC are called vertically. Look here, angle AOD, angle BOC, these are vertically opposite. We already named them from with angle 1 and angle 3. They are vertically opposite. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite. And one important information that is given to us is that vertically opposite angles are always equal in measurement. Let's start exercise 10.1. Question number 1. Name all the angles in the figure which are adjacent. Students, this is the figure given in the question. Here different angles are given to us. This is angle A, this is angle B, this is C, this is D and this is E. How many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question is, name all the angles in the figure which are adjacent. You only have to tell which are the adjacent one. So solution, adjacent angles are, now look here, angle A and B are called adjacent. Why they are called adjacent? Because they have common arm, one common arm and same vertex. Got it? So A and B are adjacent. Similarly, B and C are adjacent. C and D are adjacent. D and E are adjacent. And E and A are adjacent. This is the symbol of angle AB. This is first pair of adjacent angles. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. And this is fifth. This is that's it. Question number 2 is, in the following figure, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Look here students, angle AOB and angle BOC are the adjacent angle. These two are the adjacent angle. Why are they adjacent angle? Because both have the common arm and same vertex. So they are the adjacent angle. Now measurements are also given to you. Angle AOB is of 20 degree. This small angle AOB is of 20 degree. Angle AOC is the 42 degree. The big angle that contains both the adjacent angles, that is angle AOC. This big angle is of 42 degree. It is containing the 20 degree inside it. Got it? Now question is find angle BOC. You have to find angle BOC. This big angle is given to you, this small angle is given to you, and you have to find the remaining angle, that is angle BOC. Let's start the solution. In solution, first of all, we will write the given information. Given information is angle AOB is 20 degree, angle AOC is 42 degree, find angle BOC. This is the given information. Let's start the solution. From figure it is clear that angle AOC, this big angle, is containing these both small angles. Means we can write angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. Means when we add these two angles, we will get the bigger one. Angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. Got it? Angle AOC is equal to this angle plus this angle. So this is your equation. Now simply put the given values in this equation. What is the value of angle AOC? Value of angle AOC is 42 degree. So we have put this value 42 degree. Angle AOB, its value is 20 degrees. So put its value. Angle BOC is not given to you. This is our question, that find angle BOC. Now how will we find its value? By moving 20 on left side. When we move my plus 20 on left side, it will be converted in minus 20. 42 minus 20. Simply subtract them, you will get 22 degree. So angle BOC is 22 degree. This is the solution of question. Question number 3 is identify the pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Students, pairs are given to you and you have to tell them whether they are complementary or supplementary. Now, if their sum is 90 degree, if the sum of the pair of angle is 90 degree, means they are complementary angles. If their sum is 180 degree, means they are supplementary angle. If their sum is neither 90 nor 180, means these angles are neither complementary nor supplementary. Now look here. First we will write our question as it is. Now simply add them. 50 plus 40. Add them, we will get 90 degree. Since sum is 90 degree, so they are called the complementary angle. Part number 2, 120 and 60. Add these angles. Sum is 180 degree, means they are the supplementary angles. Part number 3 is 70 degree and 70 degree. Now students, find out the sum of both the angles. Add them 70 degree plus 70 degree. You will get 140 degree. Since sum is neither 90 nor 180, means these angles are called neither supplementary and nor complementary. Got it? Since sum is not 90 degree, not even 180 degree, so the given pair is neither supplementary nor complementary. Look at part number 4, 130 degree and 50 degree. 130 and 50 degree. Add them. When you add them, we will get 180 degree. Since the sum of the angles is 180 degree, means they are supplementary angles. Now students, you have to write all the definitions in your register and solve all the remaining parts of question number 3. So that's it. Jazakallah, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.